Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Till now, Goa has received a cumulative state average rainfall of 253 mm, which is actually almost the double of what the normal value for these 8 days is. That is because in the beginning of this month, that is 1st of June, 2nd of June, Goa has actually received a lot of rainfall due to the effect of cyclone Nisarga that passed near to Goa. So because of that intense rainfall Goa received, on one day we actually received very heavy rainfall also. So because of that, the tally of total state average rainfall remains almost double to the normal value till now, that is on 8th of June. As of now, what we are expecting over Goa is the arrival of monsoon, southwest monsoon. So as on today, the southwest monsoon has reached up to Karwar and Shimoga in Karnataka, whereas a place called Chittoor in Andhra Pradesh and up to Chennai. So this is how the monsoon has arrived up to now, and we are expecting further northward propagation of monsoon current in the coming days. Now tomorrow there is a low pressure area that is very likely to form over Bay of Bengal. Once this low pressure area forms, it will enhance the northward propagation of southwest monsoon. And as per latest information we have, within 2 days, southwest monsoon is going to arrive over Goa also. And from 10th onwards we are expecting increase in rainfall activity over Goa. On 10th, 11th and 12th we are expecting very good rainfall to receive over Goa, and we have issued heavy rainfall warning, that means rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours.